Hi everyone, how are you doing today? It's a spritz week and today I want to show you how to make grapefruit spritz. It's another really easy and fast to make drink, so let's not waste more time and get to it. We take our glass of choice and we're gonna put ice. Okay. To that we're gonna add 1 ounce or 30 ml of Aperol. That will be followed by 2 ounces or 60 ml of grapefruit juice. And we're gonna finish with 2 ounces or 60 ml of sparkling wine. I opened this one not long ago. Okay. And to garnish we're gonna use some grapefruit zest. You can make it more beautiful if you want, or otherwise just drop it as it is, and being in a hurry, enjoy the drink as fast as possible. So that is how we make the grapefruit spritz. Let's give it a taste. Wow, it's quite, I love grapefruit, so there is no surprise. This definitely match my taste, but it's not too bitter. The grapefruit juice plays very well with the floral and bitter notes from the Aperol, and it's very refreshing, and I definitely recommend it to any of you who is struggling to deal with the heat outside. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.